Hey, it's Jason Glover with Dad's Dad Cook. One of my buddies here with Tres Agaves, tequila, he has mixes. I've known him, we've known each other since we're 14.
Yeah, over 30 years.
Scott, Glenn's a good buddy of mine. He comes from the East Coast. You guys get to meet each other
pleasure
today.
to meet you, brother.
Pleasure to meet you.
Looking forward to this.
So we're gonna learn about how to make a great margarita today, right?
Correct.
And where this stuff comes from and how you got involved and how we make a good margarita, because I'm thirsty.
8 years ago, we decided to open up Tres Agave products. There's 3 types of tequila. You got a Blanco, a Reposado, and an Añejo. The Blanco is not an aged tequila. The Reposado is aged up to 6 months. And the Añejo has to be aged up to 1 year.
It's way up there as far as quality, but the thing I like is your pricing isn't way up there with some of those big names that we've heard about for so long.
We wanted to be priced in the mid-range. We didn't see too many very high tequilas that were priced at that price point. A quick drink to do that's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I just grab a bottle of this right out of the cabinet. Margarita mix, shake it up a little bit, put about a ½ ounce in. I can get it done real quick before even the wife sees me. Bam, bam, ready to roll.
Yeah,
right?
just before you start cooking, right?
Right, just before I start cooking. Cheers, you guys.
Cheers.
We're gonna do our basic margarita. We go 2 ounces of the Blanco.
Really know your ounces, Scott, which is amazing.
And then we go 3 ounces of the margarita mix. This is a 68 calorie drink.
That's good for the summer bods that we're working on.
Right.
You know, I'm getting ripped, man.
Do a squeeze
Always
of lime.
a little lime. Hey,
Well,
cheers
hey.
again. I feel like I'm in Mexico now, man.